In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can use Jasper to come up with an idea for a mini course. So I'm going to put a couple prompts here in the bottom. So you're going to go to basically the chat feature on the left-hand side, and then it's going to give you some ideas for prompts. But I'm just going to go ahead and plug in what would be a good course to create to help someone who wants to learn about gardening. Maybe gardening is your passion, and you want to come up with a mini course that you can sell to help someone learn about this topic. You've never done it before, you're not really sure where to start, and so Jasper in seconds has just created an outline for you. Gardening 101 from seed to harvest. So this is we can actually see at the bottom, by the end of this course, students will have a good understanding of the basics of gardening and be equipped with the knowledge and the skills they need to start their own garden. So we can see getting started. You can take a look to see ooh, are these topics that I could teach on and share about? Lesson 2 could be starting the seeds. That makes sense. Garden maintenance, lots to learn there. Harvesting, garden design, and special gardens. So that just came up with an outline on a course in seconds. Let's take a look at maybe this one here. I've got another prompt. I teach women over 50 how to get a faster metabolism. What kind of workshop could I offer to help get them results? So we're going to go ahead and submit that to Jasper, and we're going to see what our little assistant can do for us. Okay, perfect. Let's read the bottom first. By the end of the workshop, participants will have gained the necessary insight to boost their metabolism naturally, while also learning about practical tips and tricks to sustain and maintain better metabolic health and fitness. So it's coming up with an introduction, importance of fast metabolism in women over 50, discussion on the common challenges faced by women, goals and objectives of the workshop, understanding metabolism. So if this is a topic that you're really passionate, you know a lot about, I'm hoping that it'll come up with an idea and you'll actually know a lot about this topic. The idea is to create something that you already know so that you don't have to do a bunch of time researching something, but this is just going to give you a quick example of what you could turn your idea into. So let's do one last prompt here. So I teach middle schoolers art. I also love helping individuals use art as therapy to help them work through anxiety. What mini course could I create to help them use art as a tool to decrease anxiety? So I've hit the send button. I'm not doing any editing to this video to show you exactly how fast it does pop this up. Art therapy for anxiety, using art as a tool for relaxation and stress management. That could be the name of your course. Introduction, understanding anxiety and its effects, how art therapy can be used as a tool, goals and objectives. Session 1, overview of art therapy, how it works, types of art therapy that can be used, just discuss the benefits and risks of art therapy, and maybe there's some Q&A. Art basics, materials, and techniques. Introduction to basic art materials. Art techniques suitable for those with anxiety. How to choose the right art material according to your needs. So this is giving you a great outline for a mini course that you could put together. And by the end of the mini course, participants will have a good understanding of art therapy, how it can be used to manage their anxiety. They'll have gained insights on multiple techniques and have relevant resources to build on their toolkit. The goal is to empower them to make art therapy a regular practice in their self-care regimen. Boom, you've got an outline for a course in seconds. Now you can take your knowledge, your expertise, and you can go create this course and sell it. I hope this was helpful. If you're not yet using Jasper or any AI, you can go ahead and use my referral link at thechristykchin.com/Jasper for a free trial and get started.